committed to doing an experiment, the great 2023 side hustle experiment. Alright, so I have committed to trying out different side hustles to figure out which ones are real, which ones actually work, which ones are actually easy to implement, which ones are not easy, which ones don't actually make money, etc. And the first side hustle that I've decided to try out is digital products. So I'm actually creating my own digital product. I just started this yesterday, so follow along if you want to see the rest of this journey. But I started creating it yesterday in Canva. So far, I would say I've invested about 4 hours. I wanted to make a really high quality, good digital product. Like, I don't want to just throw something up there just for the hell of it to see if it sells or not. I want to make sure if someone's buying my product that it's something worth their time and worthwhile. So I spent a good portion of that 4 hours doing market research to make sure that I'm creating products that are something people will actually want and want to buy. The other thing that I've learned through my research so far is that I will most likely need multiple products to list in my Etsy store to get the best results. So I'm going to start out on Etsy just because I don't want to deal with driving traffic to my digital product. I want a source like Etsy to just drive the traffic there for me. So I'm starting out there. I'm going to need multiple products. So this is going to take a little bit more time than I initially was thinking it would. I also do virtual assistants, 20 to 30 hours a week between all of my clients. And I stay at home with my daughter who has cerebral palsy, so she definitely needs a lot of my attention. So it's going to take me a few days, but I wanted to give you guys an update on where it's at so far. So far, it's taking a little longer than I expected, but I'm extremely happy with the product I'm creating so far. I feel really good about putting it out into the world, out into the Etsy atmosphere. So I'm excited about this. I'm looking forward to it. We'll see. I haven't set a price in my mind yet. I'm still doing a little bit of market research, which I've been testing around some tools on which software are the best to do your market research. So I will add a video here soon on that, on what tools to use for your market research for digital products, because from what I can tell, my research I've done, it seems like doing the market research is the key part that a lot of people miss. I can't claim to be a digital product expert. I am not. I'm just a mom doing an experiment to see which side hustles actually work and which ones don't. So I am hoping to have a few digital products up in my Etsy store by the end of this week-ish. And I will keep you guys updated on how the sales go. I'll also include a video on research marketing tools that I've discovered that helped me a lot. And I'll do some behind the scenes of how I've been creating my digital products and what I've been creating too. So follow along, save this video, check back. I'm going to also be doing behind the scenes of other side hustles. I definitely want to share some videos about virtual assistants, try out affiliate marketing, and product-based businesses. I'm going to try them all out. I basically just want this TikTok account to be a wealth of resources for people who are looking to supplement their income with a side hustle or completely replace their income and work from home full time or pay off extra debts or whatever your goal is. I just want to help people figure out once and for all without any bias on what is supposed to work the best because that's what they're selling. I just want to give honest opinions. So follow along, come back, stay tuned.